Hello, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we'll be making some fudgy chocolate brownies. So let's jump right into it. Grab 250 grams of chopped butter along with 200 grams of dark chocolate. For this, I'm using a variety with 50% cocoa. In the pot, melt down the butter and chocolate until it's a smooth, glossy mixture. Pour your butter chocolate mixture into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 4 lightly beaten eggs, and 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Mix it thoroughly together until it's a thickish mixture. With a sieve, sift in half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of powdered cocoa, and 1 cup of flour. With the remnants of the cocoa, just use your finger or a spoon to break them up. With all the dry ingredients now sifted, gently mix it all together until it's thoroughly combined and resembles a dark chocolate cake mixture. Grab a sliced tin and make sure it's coated with either baking paper or something similar. So, pour your brownie mixture into the tin, also making sure that your oven is turned on to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. Once ready, put it into the oven for about 50 minutes or until firm to the touch. Now that it's baked, let it cool in the tray before turning it out onto a chopping board and cutting it into the desired shape of brownie you love. To give these brownies a bit of an extra wow factor, grab the icing sugar and a sieve, then proceed to dust your brownies to give them a snowy look. I hope that you enjoyed making these fudgy chocolate brownies with me, and if you've enjoyed it, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, along with commenting and sharing this video. Don't forget to check out the Facebook and Instagram page for behind the scenes and upcoming videos, along with checking out the previous baking video on chocolate chip cookies. Until next time, enjoy the kitchen.